Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make reservations on booking.com without a credit card. Now make sure to go to booking.com and log in with your account, and once done, so at this page you will see the location, so you can check the or enter the location. Let's say I want to enter this location, and you can just select the dates, like which dates do you want to check in, and enter the adults or the children or rooms, like how much do you need, and fill in all the information and just click on the search button. And once you click on the search button, so you will see all the properties or hotels being listed into this section. So make sure to find the hotel which are giving you this service, which is no prepayment needed, pay at the property. As you can read, like there's no prepayment needed, no credit card is required to reserve this hotel. And on the second one, as you can see, no prepayment needed, and there might be some of the hotels which will require you to like reserve and pay at the booking.com, but most of the hotels will give you this service. As you can read, free cancellation, no prepayment needed, pay at the property. So most of the hotels are giving this service. Like some of the hotels which might require you to pay with your credit or debit card. Let's say I want to check this one, so just click on see availability, and once you click here, just click on this reserve button. Make sure to go through the details. If you want to, just click on reserve, and I'll reserve. Select amount like 1 and just select it, like I'll reserve. And once you click here, so it will take you to the next page. Like make sure to enter the details, all the details, your mobile number, and update my account. So basically this is the information required. I'm the main guest, or like fill in the information which is being required. If you are requiring an airport shuttle, you can just tick that option as well. Renting a car, whatever your service is, and you can select it and just click on next and final details. As you can see, like these are your details: total length of stay and check-in, check-out, family room with balcony. So just click on next, final details. Make sure to fill out all the information that is on this page and click on next and final detail and just reserve it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can reserve it and book your hotel or reserve a hotel on booking.com without a credit or debit card. So that is a simple and easy process. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.